Welcome to the world of electronics. Here in this video, I'll talk about ADC, that is analog to digital converter. And at the very beginning of this lecture, I want to say that here this is going to be a very short video, means length of the video will not be much. And there are so many points to be discussed in this topic, but for each point, I'll make separate videos, okay? Then only in-depth discussion will be possible, otherwise not. Here you can say that this video is going to be an overall idea about the topic ADC, means analog to digital converter. As you know that at present, means right now, we are moving into a world of Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. Everywhere you can see the use of artificial intelligence at present. Okay, everything is becoming digitized. There are so many electronic equipments, there are so many electronic devices. You are surrounded by electronic devices. Even if you are using electronic devices, most of the people are using right now electronic devices. If you are watching this video in your smartphone, then your smartphone is also an electronic device. In case of medical technology, we can see the use of electronic devices such as MRI scanners are there, blood monitoring devices are there, okay, PET scans are there, so many things are there. Even today's cars, modern cars are becoming computerized. By using those computerized systems, the engine performance can be monitored, and accordingly the corrective measures can be taken. Even the tire pressure can be known electronically. So there are so many things involved in such in the use of such technologies. But one most common thing is that ADC, analog to digital converter. Without the use of ADC, nothing is possible. You know that whatever data is available around us are all in analog form, means either wave or signal form. The data available are analog, such as pressure, temperature, light, sound, okay. You know, everything comes in whenever you are using some electronic devices. Sorry. Say you are measuring blood pressure by using one electronic device. So blood pressure, that means it is a pressure. It is pressure. So that pressure needs to be converted in digital form. So for that purpose, one device is required. That device is known as ADC. When you are receiving a call or speaking into your smartphone, in that case also, your voice, that means sound signal, is being converted into audio signal. And that is of course in digital form. Whenever you are using your smartphone to take your selfie, means whenever you are capturing photographs by using your smartphone, in that case also, the light emitted from that object is being converted into digital form, means it is becoming digital image. So everywhere, at present everywhere you can see the use of digital electronics. So for all these purposes, one most common thing that is required is known as ADC, analog to digital converter. So these physical quantities such as pressure, temperature, light, etc., so many physical quantities are there, physical variables are there. Okay, they need to be first captured, then they should be mapped to a numerical form, then they should be encoded, okay, in binary form. So three steps are there. First is called sampling. Whenever you are capturing the data by using ADC, that step is known as sampling. Next is quantization, means you are assigning a numerical value to the captured data. Okay, that step is known as quantization, and the last one is known as encoding. In case of encoding, you are converting that numerical data into digital form, means binary form, not digital form, binary form. Okay, and so many types of ADCs are there depending upon the resolution. Okay, resolution and speed. So many types of ADCs are there, out of which most common are flash ADC. Here in this case of flash ADC, speed is much higher. Means within very short interval of times, snapshots are taken. Okay, next comes successive approximation ADC. This is a balance, you can say that this is a balance between speed and resolution. And the third one is known as sigma delta ADC. Here the process is slower, but resolution is high. In case of many things are there, such as audio signals. Okay, in that case, high resolution is required. Or in case of precision measurement devices, high resolution is required. So here sigma delta type of ADCs are used. And the first one was what? Flash type ADC. So such as a video signal processing or radar systems. In those cases, at very high speeds, the acquisition of data are required. Okay. So what is the aim of this lecture? Just to get you introduced about the ADC. Okay, not in detail, just an overview. Anyway, I'll make separate videos for all the points, such as quantization is one point, encoding is another point, third point is sampling. Okay, then different types of ADCs I was talking about. Okay, so everything will be discussed in separate videos. This is this video, okay, is just an overview about ADCs. ADCs are very important. So if you are a student of engineering, you should study this thing carefully. Anyway, I think I have already discussed the required topic. Okay. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.